What if I told you that millions of Americans in their 40s are making a retirement mistake that is silently costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars? It's not about picking the wrong stocks. It's not about timing the market. It's a simple oversight, and it involves losing out on free money. In the next few minutes, we're going to expose this number one mistake, and I'll give you a simple three-step action plan to fix it today. Stick around, because this could be the most profitable video you watch all year. The single biggest, yet most common financial mistake a person with a job can make is not contributing enough to their 401k to receive the full employer match. Let's break that down. Many companies offer a 401k match as a benefit. It's their way of helping you save for retirement. Imagine your boss came to you and said, "For every dollar you put into this savings jar, I'll put another dollar right next to it, instantly." You put in as much as you possibly could, right? That is exactly what a 401k match is. It's a guaranteed 50% or 100% return on your investment, instantly and risk-free. A common policy is a 100% match up to 5%. This means if you contribute 5% of your salary to your 401k, your company will also contribute an amount equal to 5% of your salary. It's a part of your compensation that you only get if you participate. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so I missed a few $1,000s, but you're forgetting the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Let's use a simple example. Say you earn $80,000 a year, and your company offers a 5% match. That's $4,000 in free money every single year. If you miss out on that $4,000 for just 1 year when you're 45, assuming an average market return of 8%, that single mistake will cost you over $18,000 by the time you're 65. Now, what if you make this mistake for a decade, from age 40 to 50? You haven't just lost $40,000, you've lost the future growth of that money. That decade of missed matches could mean over $200,000 less in your final retirement nest egg. This isn't a small leak in your financial boat. This is a massive hole below the waterline. The good news is, this is the easiest financial mistake to fix. You can do it in the next 10 minutes. Here's the three-step action plan. Step 1. Find your magic number. Log into your company's HR portal or find your employee benefits paperwork. Search for the phrase 401k match. It will clearly state the policy. Is it 3%, 5%, 6%? That percentage is your magic number. That is your minimum savings target. Step 2, check your current contribution. Now look at your most recent pay stub or log into your 401k provider's website. Find your current contribution rate. Is that number smaller than your magic number? If it is, you are leaving free money on the table. Step 3, make the change. While you're still logged in, find the option to change your contribution rate. Increase it to at least match your employer offer. If they match up to 5%, set your contribution to 5%. Click Save. That's it. You just gave yourself an instant raise and plugged the biggest hole in your retirement plan. Picking stocks is hard. Predicting the economy is impossible. But securing your full employer 401k match is the closest thing to a free lunch in the entire world of finance. It is the single most powerful first step you can take to supercharge your savings, especially when you feel like you're playing catch-up. If this video gave you the clarity you needed, do me a favor and click the like button. It tells YouTube that we're providing value and helps other people find this crucial information. And be sure to subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense financial strategies to help you build your wealth after 40. Now, go check your match. Your future self will thank you.